I discuss the history of toxicology and poison and the classification of poison. So my name is Justin Curtis. I am Bala from YouTube. I'm very Julia. Mention about and what is toxicology? Toxicology is a scientific study overlapping with biology, chemistry, pharmacology, and medicine that involves the study of the adverse effects of chemical substances in living organisms and the practice of diagnosing and treating exposures to toxins and toxicants. The relationship between those and its effects on the exposed organisms of high significance in toxicology. Factors that influence chemical toxicity and influence the usage, duration of exposure, and it is a field for learning. Growth of exposure, species, age, sex, and environment. Toxicologists are experts on poisons and poisoning. There is a movement for evidence-based toxicology is part of the field that improved evidence-based practices. Toxicology is currently contributing to the field of cancer research. Since our toxins are made as healing purposes, one such example for this is ribosomes inactivity and inactivity for proteins. That's the treatment of so toxicology is a study of chemicals and chemicals in living beings and focuses more on living organisms. And how we use art and how to treat the people and animals exposed to them. The effect of chemical depends on how exposure lasts and how it enters the body and factors such as age, sex, and environment. So psychology is scientific specialized science in so toxicology helps medical research such as toxins to heal cancer cells. And networking. Next study of toxicology will analyze really human use poisons for hunting and war. Egyptian breeds and programs and poisonous plants and animals. Famous example, Socrates died from immediate ages, poison used for assassination, for example, in Warriors. Avicenna described poisoning symptoms and treatments. Next, alchemy studies poison alongside medicines. Everything, renaissance, in pyramids, Paracelsus, the father of toxicology, said the dose make the poison. This means any substance and toxic in the dose is high.
So, another theory, so, traditional time is within the field of science. And then, ang para to, curiosity sa mga scientists, develop sila to test with detect poisons in body. And also, to psychology, kasi nila, yun, why para siguro ang justice o may ma-serve ka pa may mahan na sa inundan sa tao, sa activities. And then sa 20th century, nag-focus sa industrial environmental scientific which is nag-develop ito ang bargaining study sa toxicology na nakakot na populate sila na. And then, chemical is like you might really listen to the situations. You visit that ito ba kung siya part ng drugs na sticky pills which is pinatake siya sa mga birnan para
Stay.
and then paano siya pwede may gusto siya mga drugs na kailangan ito siya defect sa mga dyan mga bata itong pangalan sila na iba na pagmumukan dito sa labas na pagmumukan niya na dapat ada possibility para expanded untuk India sampai so protocol baca untuk psikologi dan satu universitas Indonesia akan nama kelas modern bicara universitas which is we just love cultural psychology and computer study subsidies. When we say addition na ako one siyang division sa biotechnology ang tinatawag ko na which is division sa biology and technology. When we say bio, means life, study. So culture is the study of life and technology. And then focus on stay finished about reducing animal percent. So as of now, man, kanina tao laganap natin mga pollution, mga toxics. So, because just like that, so parang na there is of technology, but the leaders na apply mga pollution like sa air, water, and then this is studies yung materials like next
is poison. Hello mga kapilyan, tatanan sa poison. Discuss ko lang ni inside that poison is one the chemical substances that is harmful or critical quality of pollution. So in other words, the poison is mga dapat sa pagkakas or isla mga patay. And then the poison is used in a wide range of scientific fields and industries. Where it is obvious it can be defined, may also be applied colloquially or figuratively in process. So here is the symptoms of and symptoms and effects of poison. Usually humans can limit those of other medical conditions and body depending on the type of person and the system of body affected. So what's the poison daw medical kung saan kasi poison. Depende ang sa pangkawas sa security ng pinaka-concern mo na ito o sa kalagayan ng sa pamilya, mana yung sabunan na. And then, ang mga symptoms, once ang makakapagpapal ni person, isa pinakauna natin ay sa consciousness ako. So once ang consciousness is mainit ko lang, kaya pali, and next is ang abnormal body temperature. Body normal temperature sa mga is sa 36 degrees. Kaya kung na siya, or mga bulos, pasabot na, hindi na pasabot kasi na gusto na paglawas, mga mandi. And then next is ang nuclear heart rate. Sa ato person, ang nuclear heart rate na gusto namin na 60 to 100 beat per minute. So kung kanina mo kami mo pasabot, gusto exceed na siya, gusto buluwis ko ba, pasabot na delay yung normal, pasabot na lang, mag-light sense na poison ka. So next is our latest and explanation. And then the severity and specific information of symptoms often depend on the nature and dose of the poison involved. Kasi sa akin na ako ganyan, depende lang na, hindi ka kung saan talaga ng poison na acquire na sa pagkakas o sa pagkakas. Yan na lang ang pinag-effort. Nakaiba ng poison daw na mas gawin na yung nainom. So ay i-effect niya, grabe yung pusod. Yan nakaiba na, meron ay narinig ng i-effect siya, wala. Siguro sa paano para magaling sa immune system o susunod makasopolo siya sa immune. Next, sa Israel person. Sa ancient times, early people used poisons from plants and animals for hunting and war. Mas madali, ang poison is naayag lang sa kalimutan sa wala ka lang mahibit ang antidote, bagay ang pagpapalana. So, malaman sa mga ang ginagamit ko sa mga panahon gabi na sa lugar ng Egyptians, sa Greeks, and sa Romans, eh, sila may nabigling ko daw ay iba, sila may na-discover sa poison dito, kasi na ang ginagawa na example sa kanima. So, kanila kung mga example na kung i-discuss naman sa ito sa ating panahon na mag-war daw, ang giver na hindi naman daw sa mga Hussein, mga explosive device, pinana. So, isa na sa pamahagi nila na titik nila na nagkakaroon sa kanila ng klase ng poisons, pamahagi sa mga plants, and then animals. Kasi sa Bible, sa plants, ay hindi ko sabihin ito mga mandali. Ahim lang, ang plants ay masabot din I actually na something sa Minka. The next of place, isa ni sa philosophy, no? Si Socrates kay nasa iya philosophy na yan yung mga ganito sa Pino, the knowledge ka, the knowledge. So, sa base ko sa research na nalang ng Socrates, ano siya kay management sila mga gagawin nila doon daw kay nagkurap daw siya. And then, ang management na yaman sila na sa philosophy siya. So, sa kanan na yung philosophy niya, sa tulog ko na knowledge, yan, barugan, kasi, sila pa ginamit pa, ginamit ang management naman daw, kasi wala naman akong kapagawin niya. Yan, iba lang yung statement niya. Then, diyan siya nilado, ay, kung sila philosophy nga niya ito, bago sa skill. Dahil, nangyari pa siya, nagawa ko siya na question, isang kanyang lang, dependent siya na siya, and then, eventually, hindi, iba namatay ko dyan. So, makikipag na diyan siya nilado na sa Socrates, ang mga nananalang philosophy niya. And then next is five poisons. So in the poisons were used for murder and politics, especially in the area of police. So since ang mga ito ng so practice na ako sa place, na mamangin sila mga meron, gusto ko pa sa lain nasa nisikita yung na nagpapagawa ko sila sa likod. At ayun na sila ay sinusunod ng ayun sila, and then next is acidic. Acidic become very common and was called the king of poisons. Kasi ito poisons ito sa kita lang tao, hindi lang siya makita, hindi lang makasay, hindi lang makis, kaya siya makasay na poison ba. Then once daw naana siya dati sa properly, kailangan malulit na mamatay na ito. So mga naging siya king of poisons kaya hindi na siya mamatay, hindi na siya. So wala na ako sa next video.
Dito sa century, 18 and 19th century, during the 18th to 19th century, Christianity began to take shape on scientific discipline. This period sparked the work of Theodore Ortega, who is regarded as the father of modern ethics. He introduced the scientific methods for studying poison and their effects on human body. This research helped establish an important branch of forensic science. This 18th century, the material realized started and modern technology scientific study of poison. And the 20th century, security expanded and effectively as industrialization of technological advancements introduced new types of poisons. The 20th century, new poisons came from Africa, drug and pollution. And 21st century, psychology has become advanced besides scientists now and DNA analyze the computer and already modern and laboratory technologies.
Relax mo dia. Ako rin gunit. Bonus din.
Kasi automation and interactive value of
Lagi ka sila. Gawin pa pero
not only technique wisdom but also
ipa ako namin. O video na lang.
disclosure and resolve and ensuring
Tingin ko dito para ma-relax ko ba? Wala may CLG na ron.
and everything like this modern approach reflects and growing awareness of poison.
Mula hindi po uli ni Sir Malawani. Attorney Malawani. Yeah, uy.
Dito sa classification of poison. So, dito sa classification, actually, source or kanan sa types of poisons, benefit na namin sa lawas. Sa yung mga, kung sa epekto sa atong mga karugan sa lawas, pollution may ito, was an ingest or intake of poison. And then, use based on the classification kung yung isa or kung isa ng mga skill level sa matulad sa legal or legal na paggamit dahil sa poison. And then mga matters. May another certification ng matters. So, balik na sa Facebook source. Number 1 is poison. After poison. May example ko rin ang imunap of scripting. So, example ng scripting. Poison because of blood. Isa rin siya ka-blood. Native siya sa India or Southeast Asia. So, kailangan scripting ka creating tawag. May bigla siya labas sa tao kay hindi din siya mag-control. Or kanang painful ang spasm sa skeletal na muscle. For example, tightening sa muscle o tightening or cramp sa tawag mga tuloy. Kaya ano siya, tightening natin siya na poison. Then, na-appreciate kung makapit ko din
Goy.
hydration, balance electrolytes, at mga respiratory. Involved ang breathing as well. So, isa tayo naman. Or,
Dia mo lang. Ang gawin. Bisa kau beli. Ada nggak bisa kau beli?
Ang basic na pala na is, pagkakainin siya sa mga alam mo na kayo ba mga ang mo motel pa.
Uy, bentar. Bos, bentar, bos. Kamu ngobrol gini di bawah itu. Lu ya kan? Nang, mau jenis nih kalian di sekolah. Nah, mana gini immunity ba?
Number 2, basic technology. Dramatic pharmacology. American neurotoxic. Neurotoxin. My nerve species. American concentrate and smelling. Neurotoxic. Neuro. Hormones of brain trauma.
Bilang, jarak kan?
Cardiac, it's heart, respiratory, number 3, based on news. Sumatra, sa poison.
Muna natin. Pagka-phone.
So, ito siya homicidal, use to kill others. Ay magamit sa poison na pumahagi, patay sa tao. Ako rin, sa malinis of place na balag. Inutak siya sa maling mainom siya, kung hindi siya magamit sa pagkakay, sa cell poisoning, kaya sa pag-ipong, pag-ibig po sa accidental, hindi may mistake. Alcohol or drugs, magamit sa wall of plants, kaya yung content, based on physical state, solid plus solid resilient. So yung big guy, or sa class kaya ano siya?
That's all for today, guys. Thank you for listening, and see you again next week. Sa
Ano